Hello everyone. The so-called Facebook rapist Thabo Bester and Dr. Nandipha were nabbed in Tanzania on Friday after they fled at their Hyde Park home in March. Police have begun talking to Nandipha's father as it emerged this weekend, hoping he has information that will assist their investigation into the prison break of her partner Thabo Bester. Bester, also known as a Facebook rapist, was convicted of murder and rape in 2011 but escaped the Mangaung Correctional Center in 2022 in a daring and elaborate saga. Police are hoping that Makudumane's father, as well as an employee, can shed light that will progress their investigation into the escape and allegations that have emerged in recent weeks. Police Minister Bekicele said it was unlikely that Makudumane and Bester acted alone. Since the ground-up broke the news of his escape in March, police have been searching for the duo, who were discovered in Arusha, Tanzania. It's believed that they were about to cross into Kenya, having arrived in Tanzania illegally. During a media briefing on Saturday, Cele said all angles will be investigated, including whether police assisted in Bester's daring cross-border escape and possession of fraudulent passports. Cele said, "We believe that the doctor herself could not have done it alone. This thing of keeping him safe and all that running, but if police are part of the cover-up, then we will find them. But I believe that a big portion of police, they just try to do their work and fly below the radar." That's a take on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.